Maybe you have been using an iPhone for years, or maybe you just recently switched to it. In both cases, there are so many secret settings and tricks that you don't know about, but really should. Hey guys, my name is Fahad Zaman. Today I will let you about some iPhone tricks. Number 1. Lock WhatsApp on iOS with Touch ID or Face ID. WhatsApp just got a new security feature on iOS. User can now lock the WhatsApp using their device's biometric locks, Touch ID or Face ID, depending on your device. To enable Face ID to unlock WhatsApp, tap Settings, Account, Privacy, Screen Lock, and toggle on the required Face ID or Touch ID. You will see some additional options appear below that allow them to activate the authentication requirement immediately, after 1 minute, after 15 minutes, or after 1 hour. When the app is locked, if the iPhone fails to recognize a face or fingerprint, you can alternatively choose your iPhone passcode to open WhatsApp. Facebook Messenger dark mode is finally here, but you have to unlock it with an emoji. To access Facebook Messenger dark mode on the latest version of Messenger for iOS, you have to send the crescent moon emoji to one of your Facebook friends in a Messenger chat. Once you send the emoji, Facebook will notify you that you have found a dark mode. Just open and try in settings and then enable the dark mode toggle. Once you enable it, this is how your Messenger chats will look. It's pretty cool, right? Make your iPhone speaker louder. Here is a trick for boosting the volume on your cell phone. Go to Settings, then Music. Scroll down and tap EQ, and then finally select Late Night from the list of settings. The trick won't make your iPhone as loud as if it were plugged into a speaker, but many people noted that it did increase the volume of the music they were playing. You can thank me later. iOS 11 brought the ability to offload apps from your iPhone. This resulted in the app getting uninstalled, but all the documents and app specific information still remains saved on your phone. Offloading apps can help you get storage back from apps that you don't use often. And when you do need them again, you can simply install them back and they will work as if they were always there. In Settings, go to General and then into iPhone Storage. Tap on the app you want to offload and tap on Offload app. Use incognito mode in YouTube. I am pretty sure that this has happened with you when you probably watched a lame video on YouTube and the next thing you know your whole YouTube homepage and recommendations are filled with similar lame videos. Right? The good news is that YouTube has a new incognito mode for this lame and even so lame videos in YouTube app. You can just tap on the profile icon where you find how to turn on incognito mode. You can just turn it on and now you can watch whatever you want without getting your home page messed up. In the incognito mode, your search history and watch history is not saved, so that's great. Whenever your friend asks for phone to make a call and you don't want to let him to use your phone after making call. If you simply like your child to focus on their homework app, you can use Apple's guided access feature to lock your screen on one specific app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on General, then tap on Accessibility, tap on Guided Access. Tap the switch to turn on guided access. Tap on passcode settings. Tap set guided access passcode and set a passcode. Launch the app you would like the user to have access to. In this case, we use dial pad. Triple click the home button to launch guided access. Then tap on Start at the top of the screen to begin guided access. Once guided access is enabled, anyone trying to leave the specific app you have locked it to will receive a banner message telling them to triple click the home button to exit. If they don't know the preset passcode, they won't be able to exit guided access. How to hide photos on iPhone in a private photo album. You can hide any photo from the photo album that you don't want to show in photo album. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, search the photo you want to hide, tap the share icon in the lower left corner, select hide, confirm hide photo, that's it. You have hidden the photo. To view your hidden photo, tap on the Albums tab in the Photos app, find the album called Hidden and tap on it. Apple has finally delivered the feature of dark mode. In settings, go to General, head over to Accessibility and then Display Accommodations, tap on Invert Colors and enable Smart Invert. It inverts colors in such a way that your image and app icons are not affected by the color inversion, but the entire UI is converted to a dark theme. I think this is a close to a dark mode. Hide notification contents on lock screen. Regardless of the usability of a feature like this, having all your notification content visible on the lock screen is honestly kind of silly. Not just that, it also privacy threat. Anyone can read your personal message without ever having to unlock your iPhone. Inside settings, go to notifications. In show previews, you can choose between always, when unlocked and never. Select when unlocked and you are all set. Never is also a perfectly fine option to go with. So that's all for now. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.